Hey you guys, here's all the products that I will be using to do the lip gloss. So I already poured some of the Versagel in already, and I just started mixing it. In the cup I have vitamin E oil and some coconut oil mixed together, and I'm just going to pour it in gradually. So I'm still mixing. I'm mixing and trying to get the consistency I want. It's a little tacky, so I'm trying to loosen it up, and as you guys see, it's loosening up as I keep on mixing. I don't know about y'all, but I do not like sticky lip gloss or tacky lip gloss like that. No, no, no. So you guys, I had two different flavors going on. I had one strawberry flavor and one mint. I felt like the mint flavor would be better with this color for some reason. So it came out perfect. I love how it smells. It's not too strong. It's not a strong mint. It's just like a nice settled mint. And it goes perfect with the color. So here's the story about the straw. I picked up the pipettes. I'm not sure if I got the wrong size, but when I tried it the first time, it did not work out for me well. So I ended up using a straw because I did see in one video a girl use a straw. So here's a couple that I did. I'm just showing you guys how it came out. Right now I have a couple that I did finish. I'm putting the stoppers on and putting the top on. So this is just a trial run, so I only have about 5 of them in a bucket right now. And just to let you know, just before the video, I did wash them the same way. I washed the tubes and everything the same way. We living in these COVID times, so I do disinfect and I do wash thoroughly. So these are the final results. They came out so good. For it to be my first try, it came out really well. So this product will be added to my website, and it will be a courtesy gift for my customers who purchase my hair. Thank you guys for watching.